This 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder Replica is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder Replica, Rock West Racing Kit with Bernie 2110cc high-performance engine, Weaver carbs, 4-speed highway flyer, manual transmission, single central exit, flow-through exhaust, custom fan cover, high-output oil pump and oil cooler, electronic performance ignition system, full tube chassis, 4-corner balanced, race prepared suspension, disc brakes, seat performance shocks and custom springs, race quality hardware and fasteners, original lights, front and rear garment, square weave, carpet pleated seats, driver side headrest, painted body color, Porsche QUOT, Diplomat QUOT, hubcap, silver metallic exterior with rear fender racing spheres and with red interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder Replica is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.